Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of this T-Mobile iPhone 7 that we showed in part 1. Just to show people that we still got it. We're still back in action. I'm just highlighted and copied it. Just going to go back over here to where it said it was blocked the first time. So we're going to control and paste it again. Same one, 5646. 5646. Okay. Type in the captchas. Voila. Congratulations, your device can and ready is to be used. Thank you for watching. Tune in, subscribe. This is part 2. We are always in action, always in business.